We get you the latest from Delhi, and it is Arvind Kejriwal's plea that's going to be coming up in the High Court, the Delhi High Court, at about 10:30 this morning. So in half an hour's time is when Arvind Kejriwal will be challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in Delhi's High Court in that money laundering case linked to the alleged excise policy scam. The scam pertains to the alleged corruption and money laundering in formulating and executing the Delhi's government's excise policy for 21-22 that was later scrapped. And with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, do remember Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh are in judicial custody even now. The Aam Aadmi Party national convener was arrested on the 21st of this month and will continue to remain in remand of the Enforcement Directorate till the 28th of March. But he is moving the High Court today in order for, challenging the arrest of the Chief Minister. Aishwarya joining us to get us more on this. Aishwarya, in half an hour's time, we can expect the High Court to be taking up that bail plea of Arvind Kejriwal. Last week he had also tried to get, the court to listen to his plea, but they were shut on account of the festival of Holi.
Well, certainly Arvind Kejriwal, who was arrested on March 21st, subsequently sent to the ED custody till 28th of March, reached to the Delhi High Court earlier, but for an urgent hearing and to get some sort of relief from the Delhi High Court and get in bail. But that urgent hearing could not be listed at that point of time. The Delhi High Court stated that they will be hearing it on March 27th, which is today, and at around 10:30 a.m. the matter is listed. It would be Arvind Kejriwal who had been seeking a bail from the Enforcement Directorate, calling this arrest as illegal and unconstitutional. Clearly, it is Delhi High Court which will be pronouncing the order and will be hearing both the sides. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party has been calling this arrest as illegal, and therefore the reason perhaps an urgent relief is something that they are hearing from. On the other side, there is also a separate plea that has been filed by an individual in the Delhi High Court as well, which clearly had prayed before the court that no orders could be passed by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal when he is behind the ED custody. It is Arvind Kejriwal who has passed two subsequent orders, one related to the Jewel Board, one related to the Health Department, and the Aam Aadmi Party is adamant that Delhi Chief Minister will continue to be the Chief Minister and will not resign from his post, whether he is behind the bars or whether he is outside. But today, when at around 10:30 a.m. Delhi High Court will be hearing this matter, it remains to be seen that whether Arvind Kejriwal will get some sort of relief, or what we have been told by our sources in the ED that tomorrow as well, when Arvind Kejriwal will be appearing before the Sessions Court, ED will be seeking further custody of Arvind Kejriwal. Whether that happens tomorrow or whether today he will get some sort of relief is something that remains to be seen.
Well, Aishwarya, this also comes, at a time where the United States has taken stock of the situation in terms of, asking for, a timely, probe into the matter as far as the legal process is concerned, asking it for it to be fair, transparent, and timely.
Well, certainly, it's all about the time-bound manner, because what we have seen in such cases is whenever there is a PMLA case imposed on any individual, bail is something that is very difficult to get in such cases, and therefore the reason perhaps in a time-bound manner the case should be dealt with is something that has also been stated in the plea. On the other side, today what we are hearing is that in different courts across the Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party legal cell is going to protest, to which also there is an update that that lawyers have filed a plea at 12:30 p.m. at Delhi High Court. That particular plea will also be heard by the Delhi High Court, in which they have challenged that within the court premises no protest can take place, and therefore the reason it is a Supreme Court orders violation within the premises, no one can protest. That will be also heard. So certainly it's a political showdown on one side, Arvind Kejriwal fighting the legal battle, whether from that as well he would get some sort of relief or not is something that remains to be seen within few hours from now.